Right, so today we're going to stick this to this and make it pretty again. First things first though, we need to make this edge here square to this edge here. And to do that, we're going to use a router with a top bearing. So we'll get a nice straight line at the top, and then we'll use the straight line of the bearing along the rest of the piece of wood. We have a nice straight true edge, more or less. Okay, so this is big enough that it overlaps all the edges, so we're gonna overlap everything, but the top more so than the bottom, for reasons that are not entirely clear to me. But we'll stick that on like that, and then we'll do some edge finishing. WD-40 can be used to fix everything. I'm just using it to compress the glue this time. So when you're sanding, can we see? So when you're sanding, if you sand both surfaces, you'll see the scratches here, and then there's no scratches, and then there's this here. And it means there's a little lip. So if you get rid of this, if you keep sanding until you get scratches all the way up to the edge, it means that the thing will be level with no upstand. So we've gone from this to this, and it looks so much better. And hopefully will last a very long time. The glue is quite sticky, so it's going to stay there for a while, hopefully. And now all I've got to do, I'm not going to bore you with it, is do the rest of the table with the oil. So I will see you next week, and if you like this random content, then please remember to like and subscribe. Also, if you're wondering why I'm holding this, is because I stuck the chisel in my hand. Bye!